one of the team behind the glider that was built in Colditz.
I wonder what he'd actually feel if he could see this place now. He'd probably wonder why he ever bothered trying to escape from Colditz, to be honest.
In the mid-1970s, 26% of the British workforce was employed in some way by the manufacturing sector. Today, it's 9%. It's not that we don't make sports cars anymore. We don't make anything. As darkness fell, we headed on to our overnight stop.
You know, I just realised something. It probably looks as though I'm driving along huddled in a towel to keep warm and dry because the window won't shut and it's raining in. But that's not the case. The window's open because it's so warm. And a little bit of drizzle, let's not call it rain, is keeping me cool.
Eventually, I became so hot, I decided I had to pull over to try and seal the gap.
Hammond, why are we stopping here? Fearful the producers might be listening, Hammond had to think fast.
Picnic. I fancied a picnic. Just you know, soak it in, enjoy the view.
You got some crisps?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Cornish pasty?
Lovely. See that church? That was built in the Italian Renaissance.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the frescoes inside.
Picnic over, we cruise to our